Hi everyone! Today we're going to be learning a new song called Ah Poor Bird. So the first time I just want you to listen and see if you can catch the words. Ah poor bird, take your flight far above the sorrows of this sad night. This time I'm going to sing and then I want you to echo while I play the piano. So the piano is going to play your part and I'm going to sing my part. Ah, poor bird, take your flight far above the sorrows of this sad night. Now this time, I'm going to do even bigger chunks to see if you can listen longer. Ah, poor bird, take your flight far above the sorrows of this sad night. I'm going to do it all the way through, see if you can echo the whole song. Ah, poor bird, take your flight far above the sorrows of this sad night. If you're having trouble with any of it, you can go back through and just try it again. And remember, while you're listening, you can always mouth the words with me so that you don't get lost.